I've travelled to northern Spain and I'm here in Burgos and I've come to the Correa Open House. So what can we expect to see at the show today?
Well, we present new technology, our new machines and some very huge machines, so new technology and wider capacity of our machines.
Is there any new products here?
Yes, we present some of our new machines of the family Fox and some very big machines which are new.
Okay. And how many people are you expecting to see over the course of the next day or so?
This has been a little bit more than we expected. We will receive roughly 200 people.
200 visitors today and tomorrow?
Yes, a little bit more than what we expected.
The design, from the design part till the construction, the machine of our frames, the assembly, everything, every process, we focus on achieving the best possible high geometrical precision.
So we're now in front of a Versa machine, and we've got Pedro here who's doing a detailed presentation on the application or the usage of a grinding head on this machine. So Pedro, the Versa machine, it's got a grinding head on it. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, this is a bridge type milling machine with 14 meters long and 4 meters wide. We use in our factory to machine our main parts, base, column, etc. But in this case, we have a grinding attachment, just for the final good finishing and to get the right accuracy and the right rugosity.
So what speed would that grinding wheel spin at?
That depends on the wheel, but we can go to 4,000 RPM to 10,000 RPM.
Okay. So you're looking at surface finishes?
Yes, that's it.
So you can actually see here we're inside the Versa machine, and we've got the W axis, which is moving up and down, and then you've got the Z axis, which is where the spindle is on the column. So we're actually machining one of the bases of the Correa machines here, and you can see they drop the W axis in order to give them more rigidity with the Z axis. So we're now moving into the second phase of the factory. Initially the castings are outside where they're weathered, they're taken into the first phase where they're machined and ground, and then they come in here where they're assembled and put together and where the machine actually starts to take shape. So this is where you see the machines in their rawest form. Now this is impressive. Look at this Magna travelling column machine. So when you buy a machine, you often don't see this in such detail. But here we've got the two-piece column going together, the linear rails, the digital scales. So this is a great example here of how a Correa machine is put together. We've got two bases here, and essentially this goes together in a modular way. So you've got the machine on the left, and and then you've got the base on the right, and then you'll have a column that goes between the two of them. These are actually fully assembled here, and then what happens is it's then deassembled and taken to site and reassembled for the installation. So Alistair, what are we doing here on this machine?
We're doing a bull bar test on the gantry machine. It's a UAD milling head, achievable positions at 324 million fixed positions, works by Herf couplings. The head gives you 6,000 RPM. It's ceramic bearings. You can have through coolant, external coolant, air blast.
And so does this test happen on every machine that goes through the workshop?
Yes, it does, that's correct.
Pedro, some machine we've got here.
Yeah, this is a Magna machine, traveling column machine. In fact, they are two machines working together. We can make 20 meters long in both machines. They are sharing the head exchanger system with 7 different heads, so we can make any kind of milling operations, roughing, finishing with different heads. It's equipped also with 3 different rotary tables, even with a tilting possibility on the tables, and this is focused for the windmill industry, to mill the hubs and the windmill towers.
So where's this installation going?
It's going to China. In fact, it's a project of 4 machines like this, 5 million euros.
€5 million order, wow. And when's it due for shipment?
It's customer is coming at the end of this month, at the end of July, for the machine buy-off, and we can send it beginning of September.
So it's 2 machines together with 40 meters in the x-axis.
Yes. 20 each, and 7.5 in vertical, and 2 meters in cross.
And you say windmill, so what part of a windmill? What?
It's the hub, you know, it's the big hub, which is where you have the.
So for wind energy, wind farm?
Yes.
Okay.
This is normally these windmills, they are installed in the sea, because they are huge.
Yeah.
So that's the reason.
We've actually just moved 10 minutes up the road. We're in a satellite factory now, and this is where they assemble the smaller range of Correa machines. So in addition to the machining and the assembly processes, there's fabrication, and that's all done here, 5 minutes down the road.